Kuringana na wakiri Ngatia, Raila Odinga niakararirie riathani ria igoti ria gucokerwo gwa githurano gia tariki 26 na uguo ngwataniro ya NASA ndiagiriirwo nikunyita itemi ciira-ini uria urathii nambere. Oho Ngatia ni uritie igoti riteanirie ciira uria utwaritwo ni Jonjo Mue na Helifa akiuga mandikithirie maratathi mao kuri registrar macereirwo thutha wa thiku 7 iria iheanitwo ni gatiba.
NASA boycotted the elections, and what happened is after the petition was served on the fourth respondent, a response has been filed by the fourth respondent. In paragraph 23, the fourth respondent admits that their candidate abandoned the elections.
Ihinda-ini riu Ngatia ni oririe igoti ikaru ritigetikire kuhuthira ta uira marua maria mandikitwo ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini wa Chebukati kuri murugamiriri munene Ezra Chiloba. Thiini wa marua macio, Chebukati endaga Chiloba ataririe shararuku kiria giatumire mitambo ya kiriu ya gutuma kura igwe hindi ya githurano kia mweri wa kanana.
It is a more, so to speak, politically charged petition than the petition I have answered to. This is a petition that now starts to implicate so many Kenyans who cannot come to this court and say that they were not involved in any of the malpractices that are alleged.
Mwena-ini wao mawakiri IEBC ni mateteire kamiti yo kumana na muhuhu ati mitambo ya kiriu ya IEBC ni yaremirwo ni gutambura makiria ma akenya milioni 1.6 hindi ya githurano. Oho mawakiri aya aria Matongoretio ni wayo gatonye ni mareganire na ihoya ria wakiri Juri Soweto ria kuhura ndurumeni rekodi cia githurano gia tariki 26.
The court said the complementary mechanism for identifying voters is Regulation 69, Sub-Regulation E. And the words are very clear. In case the electronic voter identification device fails to identify the voter, the presiding officer shall. So we all agreed that was a mechanism.
Igoti riu riagiriirwo ni gukorwo rituite ciira ucio tugikinyeria muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia turorete. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kameme wa Mwangi.